Hey everyone, just got a package today I'm very excited about. It's my new gauge cluster from Clusters by Living It Up. I'm going to put a link at the bottom after I'm going to show it all installed. I just got it tonight, so I'm not installing it tonight. I got home from work and it's late, but tomorrow. This is exciting. Hopefully something. I'm gonna get too crazy because I'm gonna wrap it back up because I'm gonna bring it out. But it's my new gauge cluster. This is going in my XLT 3.3. It's got the 8-inch screen. He's gone ahead and put the, can't really see here, but the numbers are going to be blue. Looks beautiful. Anyways, tomorrow I'll set it up in the truck and show the before and after. So this is the cluster the truck came with the 2-inch screen. I spent the last year debating whether I wanted to do this upgrade and researching pricing and stuff, and I have to say I found a great deal. The old one out, and you can see it's got the little 2-inch screen. It's a base XLT. There's the new one with the 8-inch screen, which is more out of a limited Platinum, and I think Lariat has it, King Ranch, the higher end trucks. Anyways, I'll put it in. I couldn't be happier with this purchase. I'm not going to show you step-by-step install. I'm going to link below a video of someone who did a way better job than I could explaining the walkthrough on how to exactly uninstall and install. The whole process took me probably about 20 minutes. Alright everyone, here it is installed. My upgraded cluster. Like I said, this is a base XLT with the 3.3 liter V6. I think it's got the 301A package. It had a 2-inch little screen. Now it's got the 8-inch screen. Let's fire it up and take a look at it. It's got all the menus. I'm sure everyone's seen the reviews online, but this is an instrument panel cluster. Wow. That I think comes in the Lariat and up, so it's a higher end and one of the lower end trucks. It's got everything you think of. This is where you can set your favorites, and then your tripometer and your fuel economy, tire pressure, your towing, and what I really wanted was this for when I'm overlanding, so I can see what kind of tire spin I have and the angle of the truck and all that fun stuff. So this was a huge plus, but I'm also looking forward to using the speedometer, and there's a digital speedometer option. There's so many options on this, I'm gonna have to get used to it, but I think it's under info. Yeah, right there. It's a nice big number for the speedometer. So I love it. I'm excited to drive with it. Stay tuned. My next video is going to be my 1-year review of my truck. It's been over a year since I did my initial review with my mods, and now I've obviously done a lot more. If you follow my channel, you've seen them. If you haven't, you should check them out. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. I'm very interested in knowing however others feel about this instrument cluster upgrade. I think it's a great idea. I'll link below who I got it from. He really did a great job. He sent me, I wanted the blue numbers. He did that all up for me. Anyways, link below. Hope you like my video.